Paul. This is Tim and Henry, first broadcast on YouTube. We are live from the car show, people, as you can see. We are right now, according to what we know, at the live cricket at.
And if we were a car, we'd be able to go 98 kilometers. Yeah!
Yeah, that'd be actually, no, that's how much weight we can do, Henry, to be honest.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So, look at all the nice cars. All territory, focus. We're at the Ford section.
Virtual cricket!
Yeah. You see, this is the virtual cricket right here, people. And look at this. There's the Ford Fiesta. There's the Outlander, Hyundai, Renault. We are a literal person. We are here, people. We are not faking it.
Am I going to your house after?
Even so. Even so. Look at that.
You got school tomorrow. Oh, that's never did.
Shocking, isn't it, people? The horror of cars. As I show it to you today. This poor tragic car has lost. I mean, literally, everything's been torn apart on the computers. The Ford systems, even the Ford gear. It's so shocking, not even I can resist. The Fords have withstanded. So I'm going to do this. See, look. And this is the car show that everyone wants. This is Tim Trizick and Henry at the car show right now. Can you see everything, people? Can you see it? Well, yes, we are live at the car show. And this is from Tim and Henry. Sayonara.